B, C, D, E, F. Kids, green, yellow, pink, blue, red, brown, black, sky blue, orange, violet, and green color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A. A for apple. A. A with red color. Kids, this is letter B. B. B for bat. B. B with blue color. Kids, this is letter C. C. C for cat. C. C with orange color. Kids, we are tracing letter D. D. D for duck. D. D with yellow color. Kids, we are tracing letter E. E. E with green color. E. E for elephant. E. E with green color. This is letter F. F. F for fish. F. F with sky blue color. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.